Hello everybody, today I'm at a very special mall called Mega Plaza. There's a lot of anime, soft toys and cute stuff. Check it out, man. There's MRT, some yacht and an MRT line. So basically there's 6 floors of retail, 7th floor is office, and I think it's parking, right? So we go up to level 6 and then go up to level 5 and 4, check out the toys. Okay, the lift getting too long, let's start from level 1. Wow, this is insane, man. Look at that. Hey, so cute, No other malls than this. So many amazing stuff. It's insane, man. Look at this. The Dragon Ball series. Wow, hell. Look at this, man. Wow. And there's no price here. You need to ask the staff like how much it is. I'm also not sure. But just I'm so many anime figures. Look at this, man. And they know they close at 7:30, so they come earlier. Look at this, it's insane. The Doraemon also. Hey, capybaras. There seems to be a crowd here, the crystal toy. Check it out. Rotating, 890 baht. We don't sell the kitty toys at level 1, so we're going to level 2 now. Toy series. Oh, so gun. Oh, it's a toy paradise right here. Insane. And RD air gun. And they sell t-shirts as well, not just the gun. Holy shit, I saw all these guns. You see, level 2 has less of the toys compared to level 1, just like a shop, but it's still worth a visit here because the toys here are unique, minions. And there's Iron Man as well. And then we have the Kuromi Hello Kitty series, 450 baht. Finally, this one has a price. Batman 850 baht. It depends how you see the value. If it's good, then I don't think you might pay the price, right? You know, they call this the laughing xiaoxing in Singapore. But it's a pity they close earlier at 7:30 because at this time most people are just getting off work and having their dinner done. Oh, this is very cool, guys. Bring your kids along, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, families come here and check it out, man. Look at this. Doraemon series. Check out the cool cars in the sports cars, man, right here. Oh, it's so nice. And the bikes as well. I didn't expect McDonald's to be here at the level 2, seriously. Let's see level 3 what they have. They call it here the level 3 zone A. Some PS PlayStation. Oh, look at that. It's amazing, so many toys. Look at all these guys. It's amazing. Oh, they have more here. They have 10% also discount. So 它除了那些 cute 东西，这里还有 toys Look at all these, man. So apparently they sell the trading cards as well. Oh, this is not cheap, no. 6480 baht, which is over like $300 about there. This is one of my favorites. Hey, pandas also, so cute. So if you're an anime and cosplay fan, definitely don't miss out this Mega Plaza right here near the Samyok MRT line. Doraemon series, one set 1950. Alright, look at this. I just came out from the lower level. This is a Halloween shop. RF. Definitely you feel more young once you come here and just check out the toys. you just feel like you are in your teens or a child once again. And you may not want to study anymore after seeing all these toys. Look at the Doraemon series. It's incredible, man. Oh, I think the shop owner likes this. He's selling a set of 1,002 baht. Oh, this one looks a bit creepy. Okay. Slam dunk. Level 5 now, they sell very cute mini camera here, the Canon and so much more. Camera cafe. Minion Ultimate Toys. Okay, level 6 there's a food court, but I think it's closed now, and there's an arcade as well. Check it out, guys. This is level 6. More different kind of toys here. Wow. Even if you're maybe a non-toy lover, if you come in, maybe you start to like toys. And figurines. 19,800. Wow, I wonder where they source it from. Maybe from Japan. Look at this, man. I happen to see this, Oh, man. And look at the boxing and wrestlers all over here. WWF. Hey. We also sell cute t-shirts here, level 1, no? Retail price and wholesale price. If you enjoyed the video, please give a like, share and subscribe so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks everyone for watching once again, and bye bye. 了解跟那 club.